Good morning and afternoon. Much colder weather today. It's November 19th, 2016. Today's weather is sponsored by Fluff Cupcakes. You can find them on Facebook under Fluff Cupcakes. Affordable and delectable gourmet cupcakes for any and all occasions. I've had these cupcakes and they are delicious. Be sure and look them up on Facebook. Holidays, any occasion, birthdays, they will deliver. They're located in Benton, Kentucky. Let's take a look at our water vapor satellite loop and temperatures. Now, temperatures are much colder today, as you already know. And with those gusty winds, it feels even colder. Temperatures yesterday were in the 70s over the area, even a few 80-degree readings. Today, however, temperatures are struggling into the 40s. Much different air mass than just 24 hours ago. We take a look here, and you can see temperatures in our area in the 40s. But look off to the west and northwest, temperatures into the 20s. As you get into Minnesota, they had blizzard conditions there over the last 24 hours or so. That's all moved off to the north and east. You can see how it's winding up here. That's that area of low pressure that brought us pretty good rain, widespread rain over portions of the area. But all that's moving off to the east. We'll have a couple of dry days ahead of us. But cool, Sunday high temperature is probably going to remain in the 40s as well, maybe a few lower 50s. Either way, cool. Again, normal highs for this time of the year are around 56 to 58 degrees. I want to show you the long-range models. That's the purpose of today's update. So let's move over to that. Let's take a look at the long-range forecast from the GFS model. I don't want you to pay too much attention to the exact specifics here. What I want you to note is that the last 2 months we've been in drought. The pattern appears to be changing into a more active storm track. We had quite a bit of rain over portions of our region yesterday. It rains quite a bit. Some places had 1/10 of an inch. Some places had over an inch. The heaviest rain ended up over western Kentucky, northwest Tennessee. Decent rain. We need a lot more because we are in severe drought. But let's move forward over the coming weeks. I want you to watch what happens on the GFS model. So we'll just move through this weekend. Dry today, dry on Sunday, dry Monday. But watch what happens on Tuesday as we move into the afternoon hours. Another storm system, decent low here, 999 millibars, moving towards Omaha. This is going to move off to the north and east. That places us where? On the warm side of the storm. Remember, low pressure rotates counterclockwise. So if you're in this area, pulling up warm air, the cold air would be on the backside. Lots of snow once again in areas that just were hit by blizzard conditions over the last 48 hours. They're going to get more snow. We'll get some more rain, probably moving into southeast Missouri, maybe as early as Tuesday afternoon. More likely Tuesday night and Wednesday as this system tracks through the area. We'll pick up this band of showers, maybe even some thunderstorms. Not a lot of instability with it, but enough. We might get some rumbles of thunder again. Hopefully we'll get a decent amount of rain. Keep adding to the rain totals and we might eventually get out of this drought. We'll move forward in time. We dry off for Thanksgiving Day, probably a cool day with highs in the 50s. Not too bad this time of the year. Normal high temperatures are around 56, 57, 58 degrees. So if we're in the 50s on Thanksgiving Day, that would be about normal. So we'll keep moving through here. We'll go to Black Friday. I was watching a system for Friday and Saturday, but that looks to stay to the north. But let's keep moving forward because another system winds up late on Saturday afternoon and night and on Sunday. Now this low tracks a little bit further south, so the snow will be a little further south as well. Still, we're on the warm side of it, so maybe some showers by Saturday or Sunday. Plenty of time to monitor that system. We get into next Monday, that's the 28th. We dry out according to this model. The EC model, however, shows rain here Sunday and Monday, so we'll keep an eye on that, the timing of the system. Keep moving forward. Here we are on November 29th. Another deep low. Look at this here, 989 millibars over northern Missouri. Heavy snow on the backside, probably again blizzard conditions if this were to be correct. Showers and maybe some heavy thunderstorms in our area. We'll keep an eye on that. Long way off. Confidence is low, but that's November 29th. Keep moving forward. We go to December 1st. Here's another system. Now, this system is way south. If this were to be December, February, January, a little later into the month, if we had a little more cold air, we might be talking about snow. So we'll keep an eye on this one. This is around the end of November, December 1st. Maybe some more precipitation. Keep moving forward. You see that storm really winds up and brings heavy snow to our east. We'll go into December 2nd and we'll stop here on December 3rd and 4th. Another system taking shape to our southwest. Now, again, it's not the specifics that are important in what I'm showing you here. What is important is that we're moving into a more active, stormier pattern than we've had over the last 60 days. So hopefully, we will move out of this drought and into more precipitation occurring. The GFS has storm systems every 2 or 3 days. They wind up to our west and southwest and then push north and northeast. So we'll keep an eye on this pattern. I like it. I like the pattern, what's showing up. It does mean more precipitation. Hopefully that will be the case, and eventually there will be cold air and we will be talking about snow.